Hi, this is Greta from Attention Insight. This time, we will look at Snappa platform and learn how to test original and edited versions of a design with artificial intelligence. Here's a visual for a LinkedIn post. Knowing the purpose of this poster, we can tell what information is the most important in this design. In other words, what needs to be emphasized, which is date and time, the names of the speakers, and the type of the event, which is webinar. This should be the primary and most important information. However, in this design, we can guess that the title and the CTA button register now takes most of the viewer's attention. We will analyze this later with the Attention Insight web app. While this could be the most important information in many other cases, in this case, it takes too much of the viewer's attention, and so, to make other objects in the design receive more attention, we'll have to diminish it from the earlier mentioned objects. The background color is also not great for this visual, as the color palette is not prominent enough. Let's make a copy of the design and edit it. Let's start with the background color. I will change it to light blue, which is a calming color, yet also motivating. I will move the CTA button to the right-hand side. With the title, I will leave the same font size, but will move it to the left-hand side. I will make it white and bold. For the header area, I will choose slightly brighter blue than the main background color. To make it clearer that it is a webinar, I will make the upcoming webinar text font size bigger and will change it from black to off-white. This will create a nice harmony between the text and the background, but at the same time the text will pop up due to contrast. Let's edit the information of date and time. I will align it to the center, make it a lighter color, and move the time to one row. For the information to be visible but separated into sections of different information, I will draw a vertical line in between the webinar and the date and time information. I will adjust all the font styles so there is a visual consistency throughout the design. Since LinkedIn is a platform for people, we should present the featuring speakers in a clearer way, as the interest for the event could then increase. I will edit the text color and size of the info about the speakers, and will also add their photographs in a round shape, like the ones on the LinkedIn profiles. That could potentially make it more appealable, and in this way, it would make it easier for people to relate to the platform, and so people could look for the person in LinkedIn profiles. I will make the CTA button bigger, make the button color gray, and the text off-white and big, and move it down. As there is a lot of empty space on the right-hand side of the design, to create more balance in the design, I will add a relevant image there. Let's analyze the design of the Attention Insight web app. I will upload both of the designs and click Analyze All. The clarity score for the first design is relatively good, 70%. Which is optimal clarity. Let's see if the clarity score is even higher in the edited design. Let's draw areas of interest: upcoming webinar, the header or title, info about the speakers, and date and time. CTA is already generated by the app. Let's select the same areas of interest in the edited version. Let's click Create New Comparison. Create a new project and move both analyses to the project. Click Compare, and let's check. The clarity increased 5%, which is great. CTA increased 5% as well. Webinar text rose from 2 to 5%, which is 3% higher. The headings, which is the title, score decreased. However, it's not a big problem, because quite a lot of attention already goes to it, 28%. This way, the more important objects in this design can receive more viewers' attention. The percentage of the text of speakers and date and time increased, which was our main goal. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next videos.